Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we will see what's new in SolidCAM, the new version where we have edge braking as a new feature. In this part, we are going to use the 4-axis version of the edge braking cycle. As you can see, there are many features in this which have been finished and have a sharp edge on the top where the burr is likely to be formed. And we're going to use a ball nose tool to find the edges that need deburring, and we will run the ball nose tool exactly in that region using 4-axis. Let's look at the tool path. So we have the geometry, in which the geometry is the entire target that we have selected, and edges definition is selected as auto detect. We can also do manual definition of edges, and we would like to exclude this edge because I don't want any deburring to happen on this edge, so I will exclude that particular edge. The tool that we are using is a 6-diameter ball nose tool, and in the tool axis control you can see that it's a 4-axis tool path with the rotary axis around the Z-axis. Alright, and in the gouge check we have selected the clamping fixture to be selected for collision checking. Okay, so if I select on the clamping device, this clamping device including the jaws, the chuck with the jaws is selected as the gouge check surface. So I'm going to save this and calculate this tool path. Okay, calculation is done. Let's look at the resulting tool path. You can see that the tool is running around all the edges where there is a sharp corner, but this is done only in pure 4-axis. Let's look at the simulation in machine simulation. This particular part is mounted on an Integrex machine. So I have the head here, the part and the chuck mounted on the main spindle. And if I start the simulation, you can see that the machining is happening in perfect 4-axis. It moves to the next region, completely checked for collisions. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video.